Hello friends, welcome to the channel. We hope you all are doing really good. So today we have come up with an excellent strategy which is called Bank Nifty lunch strategy. As per the name suggests that this strategy is only applicable during lunch hours. So you don't have to sit back and watch market whole day. You just open your system during lunch hours and you might get a trade by following this simple and excellent strategy. This strategy is basically for those people who don't have enough time to give to the market because of their jobs or other responsibilities. So you need to give only 1 hour to the market as per this strategy, and if you are getting a trade, you just enter it and you will most probably be in profit, because the accuracy of this trade is almost 70 to 80%. And believe me when I'm saying that the most profitable traders are also having an accuracy of 60 to 70%. And if anyone is saying that they are getting 100% accuracy, they are lying or they are running a scam. So don't believe those guys. But let's not waste any time. Let's get on with our strategy. Strategy is simple enough. We just need to open our systems at 159 and we'll check Bank Nifty futures low and Bank Nifty futures high. For example, at 159, Bank Nifty futures low is 22,100 and Bank Nifty futures high is 22,600. Now we have noted this down. Now we don't need to do anything. We don't need to take any kind of trade. We will just wait and watch till Bank Nifty futures gives a break on either of the side, either on the lower side or either on the higher side. So for example, if Bank Nifty futures is breaking its intraday low, that is 22,100, so as soon as it breaks the low and creates a new low, we'll enter on the short side. Or if Bank Nifty futures is breaking its intraday high, that is 22,600, we will enter on the long side. So as soon as it does that, we will take the entry in the Bank Nifty and hold our position till 3:20 p.m. Simple enough. Okay, let's move on to the next part. This strategy is a futures based strategy. So the recommendation would be to take a trade into the futures. If it is breaking the low, then you sell the future, and if it is breaking the high, then you buy the futures. But even if you are an option lover, you can take the trade as well. So just choose any options with the premium range in between 150 and 200. So the premium should not be less than 150 and it should not be higher than 200. And if the Bank Nifty breaks the low, you enter on the PE side, and if it breaks the high, then you enter on the CE side. Now let's talk about the stop loss and target. What would be our stop loss and what would be our target? Stop loss for futures would be 100 points and for options would be 50 points, and the target for both is completely open, but it is also recommended to book your profits timely. And now we'll talk about some of the facts about this strategy. We'll talk about execution, we'll talk about accuracy, and we'll talk about backtesting of this strategy. So you'll get a trade in almost 100 sessions out of 200 sessions. So basically there is a chance of trade execution of almost 50%. That is, you will be getting a trade every second day. Okay, and the trade has an accuracy of almost 70 to 80%. And like we have also talked that most profitable traders are also only 60 to 70% accurate. So if you are following only this particular single strategy, you will have an accuracy of 70 to 80%, and that is really good enough to make money. And if we talk about backtesting, in past 4 years, this strategy has given a maximum profit of 460 points approximately and a loss of 120 points only. So it's kind of a really profitable trade, and on an average you can get almost 70 to 80 points in futures. So that's why I was saying that it is really important to timely book your profits. Now let's do a quick summary. We need to open our system at 159 sharp. We need to check Bank Nifty futures high and low. As soon as it gives a break on either of the side, we'll enter the trade. If it is breaking low, we'll enter on the short side, and if it is breaking high, we'll enter on the long side. Now I'll show you some of the examples based on this strategy. I'll open the Bank Nifty futures chart. Based on this strategy, we got a trade today as well, so I'll show you the latest trade. Let's check 159 candle. Yeah, this is the 159 candle, and the high I think is on this candle only, which is 22,608.75, and it almost gave us more than 100 points. The high was 22,748. So let's see how much points we got. 22,748 minus 22,608.75, which was a previous high. So we got 139.25 points in just 1 hour of the trading. I know that we won't be able to catch the low and we won't be able to catch the high. Even after that, I think we would have easily gotten 100 points in this trade, and which is also not bad. So 2500 rupees in just 1 hour by one lot of Bank Nifty, it's just simply amazing. And I'm only looking at these charts just to show you guys how this strategy actually works, but we don't even need to open the chart in the real time. We just need to decide our levels, and as soon as we get a trade, we just need to enter it, and we just need to earn quick profits. And if I go back, I can show you several examples. Even though we got a trade on 14th of September, 15th of September we also got the trade, and now 16th of September. So 3 days in a row we got this trade, and it is simply amazing. So that's the strategy. I hope you are going to make good profits out of it. Do let us know in the comment section what you think of this strategy, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to everyone who you think can make good profits. And now, goodbye, take care, and love you all.